Had to cut some water off of the neighbor building here, so we cut a trench in the pouring rain. I'm soaked. We got it to run out in a way as best we could. Again, guys can get, this is a baby, tiny baby project for these guys, so they get here when we get rain, and we do inside jobs when it's going to do this outside. So we got it all sealed up. Again, we had the water down and away as best we could. I didn't realize how low it was here out front, but we got this out to this point best we could do. And this is why we went up with the pad. So someday from out here, this can all be ramped up to our floor inside, and then we can have drains and stuff outside to get this water out and away. If we had played the surface of this new pour to the surface of the driveway, we'd be in real trouble. In fact, we'd have standing water in here already, as you can see. So though we don't love getting the rain, it does illustrate why we pick our elevation for the concrete. And it also shows us why we're going to ask the neighbors to put gutters and downspouts that at least point the water away and out of here. This coming down in here and soaking underneath, and then in the fall we get a frost and then it swells up and it can break up that pad. So we want to be cognizant of that, but it's well worth getting rained on today to protect this pour. And you want to keep everything washed off.
Cheers, how'd you get wet?